As a matter of fact, success in any business depends on our understanding of emotions. The reason whoever buys what you are selling is doing so for emotional reasons. Emotions drive human action. Good emotions draw your customers closer to a sale, while negative emotions motivate your customers to buy your product to relieve their discomfort. And that is what I mean for you today. You will get a scientific approach based on capturing insights that predict why your prospects will choose to become your customers. Once you get into the mind of your prospects, it then becomes a matter of simply pushing the right emotional buttons, allowing you to glide ever so smoothly over their natural predispositions and make them buy, agree, sign up, order, click, or do anything you want. Brainvertise is a neuroscience method on discovering the prospect's emotions and innermost desires. When you go through this product, you'll begin to uncover the hidden doorways to get into people's minds, eavesdrop on their thoughts, know what they want, and activate psychological forces buried deep within the unconscious brain which make them want to buy. So by being able to engage the decision-making part of your customer's brain, you will learn how to craft your sales message in such a way that your prospects will understand you, remember you, and like you. Brainvertise is brought to you by an extremely well-known person who is Johann Ma. Not only he is an international speaker but also an international #1 best-selling co-author of one of the world's first textbooks on digital marketing. If you've been in the internet marketing place for a while, I bet you're too familiar with this name, right? With achieved reputations in his career, you can completely trust quality of the newest launch, Brainvertise, that is predicted to become the next hit product. Let's follow the next part to figure out a lot of its great features. I bet you will be extremely surprised when you get access to its awesome elements inside. Here's exactly what you will go through. What the latest discoveries and advancements in neuroscience tell us about your prospect's decision-making process and how it will drastically transform your selling approach on the web forever. How to effortlessly navigate and find the path to the Buy Now button to your prospect's brain. How to tap into your prospect's most powerful emotions and innermost desires and nail that passionate sweet spot. How to use your prospect's own predisposition to draw him/her to your product or service like a powerful magnet. How neurosales language can influence your prospect's buying decisions, allowing your messages to sink deeply into the unconscious. Imagine how good you will feel once you can seed emotions into the unconscious. How to create the perfect buying environment, allowing your suggestions to be acted upon immediately. How to construct a bridge of belief, gently extending your prospect's existing biases from where they are to where you need them to be. How to stop objections dead in their tracks, or perhaps better still to make them disappear before they can even be raised. From my perspective, I have to say that Brainvertise is really a brilliant product. When I experience it, I'm really surprised because of the content inside it. It analyzes exactly what factors directly affecting the purchasing decision as well as the shopping habits of our customers. Thanks to the program, now I can open my horizons about business. To run a successful business, having a good product is not enough. You need to understand how your customers feel and what they think, thereby building a perfect marketing strategy. Brainvertise is an interesting, innovative and practical source for you to learn about neuromarketing, sell more by finding the buy button in customers' heads. Learn how, as entrepreneurs, marketers, and side hustlers, we can tap into that ancient buy button to be more persuasive. Learn how to hack the minds of your customers and prospects to persuade them to take action. So if you're really keen on this product, let's buy it now to boost your revenue and drive your conversions to the roof, while also acquiring and underscoring customer loyalty.